Today we want to spend just a few minutes going over the importance of the proper units of measurement when selecting a vacuum pump. When you call a vacuum pump supplier, it's very important that you speak the language that they do. So we're just going to look at the board here and show you what the manufacturers use in determining the pump size. First of all, this is an atmosphere. That is 760 millimeters of absolute mercury. Over here we have 30 inches, which there are 25.4 millimeters in an inch. And then we have 14.7 pounds per square inch at sea level at atmosphere. And another term they use, microns or millitorr, 760,000. This is an atmosphere. Now inches of mercury, we pull 15 inches of mercury. Now we're at a half an atmosphere, which is 380 torr, 7.35 psi, and 380,000 microns. Now if we pull down to 1 torr, or 1 millimeter of absolute pressure, we are at 29.96 inches of vacuum, we are at 0.019 psi, and 1,000 microns. As we get further down to the vacuum level, we get to 1 micron, which is 0.001 torr, or as some people like to say, 1 times 10 to the minus 3 torr. Inches become irrelevant because the numbers become too vast. Same thing with psi. We can't discuss that down at these high vacuum levels, low pressure. And then we have 1 micron over here. So as you can see, 1 micron is 1/760,000th of an atmosphere. That is not an easy vacuum level to achieve, but with the technology over the recent years, it is readily available with 2-stage rotary vane pumps, piston pumps. These are the roughing pumps that can get you down to 1 micron. So, just to sum it up, high vacuum is low pressure. Low pressure is high vacuum. So it's very important that you speak to people in the language they understand, and you can use torr, inches, psi, or microns, depending upon the vacuum level you seek to achieve. Thank you.
Good. 2 minutes.